Ima Oyakwaba Eba GC News, hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm the Bremo. The media no NPP mo wode ensema tuya wo. Nima bi ekoso party mo cheguma ono waye na ye mati awana ba me no omunye se kuma ni bida. Na wode ensema bi tuya na ansa na yebeko ne nsemi. Mr. Se unya subscribe to the channel na Mr. Se over subscribe. Wode obaya ne se over click the subscribe button na wabeli notification no. Oya sa video fufu bia e be upload no so wonsa can after we are like video no give us a thumbs up na fi wa share ma ofofro so na wonye bi na wonhwe afi yenko eye ensini eye pani which say waye duma under Boakye any Lord Commey na one Hopeson Adorye cry duma no which say duma waye wo party no eye mabunu na one room sisi one me say money bi na wodi ensem bi na to da fa eye NPP no eye the president na do dan kwa Akufo Addo na yensem bre no ententema yemmo impre no na ikuti nkomo ensema odi etuga yenti ni nsema.
I remember when I was the deputy regional secretary for NPP, we worked together. Except say I'm a little bit not happy with him. Well, expectations. If you don't manage it well, you will be in serious trouble, especially if you are a politician. Let me tell you my story. Just a minute to tell you my story.
Yes.
You see, when I'm somebody who supports Nana Akufo Addo,
far from me.
I believe in Nana Akufo Addo, and I must say that as a student at Accra Polytechnic, when we brought NPP to campus, Nana was asked to speak to us. I believe in Nana Akufo Addo. But look at what happens. We were encouraged in politics by Boakye. I worked under Boakye and Lord Commey. And so when these 17 aspirants came up, I supported Boakye and asked as his campaign coordinator. I never supported Nana Akufo Addo. Ejuma mi ma yama NPP at the squatting. Ejuma mi ma ye. Everybody, these young guys in government, none of them make I say why you Ejuma change. Never, nobody. From Kufour to Nana Addo, nobody. I started it at the age of 21 years. But me, yeah, chichen yamanu obi amamidu. Yeah, chichen yamanu obi amamidu. Obi amami. Lord Commey, me and Kasa mi nyanko, close friends. National organizer, director of operations, national organizer. On chair me see that. But I still have faith in the NPP. It's a political idea, a political party that I believe in its ideology. Yes, you supported Annan. Annan didn't win. Calm down and be careful. So why you did become my NPP? Be very careful. Be very careful. But yet some of us say see you be the Yayama NPP that brought NPP into power.
Also, yeah, then.
No, I'll end it there. I said today I'm a lawyer. I'm no more into active politics. I mind my own business. 2024 December, I'll go and vote. Semet Chuama Jomama is in my head. If I vote for Bawumia, it's my head. Nobody can direct who I should vote for. Nobody. I have a son who is at the law school. He said, Daddy, I want to be a politician. He thought I would say she go and be NPP. I said, you are an adult. Between NDC and NPP, choose one.
Which one did he choose?
Well, it is up to him. Choose one. But I believe he's moving towards NDC. Choose one.
No, well, who said?
Nyama, what's NPP? Nyama.
Well, who said?
Nyama, yeah, family NPP. Look, my brother, we are very emotional. Say, see, you better NPP as same and more back and give you political positions. At times I laughed. I say, the old brain. And you know the when we were doing NPP, not NPP and pet or Greater Accra. When we were doing NPP, not NPP, or beyond NPP, we brought NPP to power in Accra. Ask Boakye, ask Lord Commey, Go to cemetery and ask the late Obetia Blanty. I work with all the national chairmen except Alajete. I, Alexander Kwoti, I have worked with all NPP national chairmen except Alajete. But I don't talk. I keep quiet. I'm managing my own business. Yeah, you will be here.
And then the margins up to now, you've not been recognized.
Well, and I'm going to see. In politics, that is how it is. In politics, that is how. Is that well? No. You see, when the blessing, listen to me. I'm not a creature of politics. Me, NPP to me can say why you say I'm married. Never. I have had a NPP. Me and my boy NPP, and I'm saying that I joined NPP. Yes, my expectations say I'll get this, and but when the blessings are come, it comes in different form.
Anyways,
today send me a lawyer. And I have the confidence to speak in court.
Cancer. On swabwa negosi saying.
A lot of people believe. Say, in fact, 90%, 95%, maybe 99% of the people believe. Say, there's some political party because they have power. It's a very wrong thing to believe. Yes, some political party because we believe in the ideology of the political party. You understand? You believe in the ideology of the political party. And the party no standing for BB. When Soka say or say a branch no tended towards NDC. I would hope say or tended towards NDC because what the NDC stands for is something that he intrinsically believes in. Almost homo philosophy is social democracy. Is that not what they say? What is social democracy na say? Na enunti na oko NDC. And I say oko NDC because when you say that NDC ba, obeman baby ashe amna yi because that is the problem of this country. It's the problem.
But why should it be a problem?
No,
because it's not only about say you glorify God. Sometimes it's about ideology can continue to cancer.
Yes,
yeah. No, but development.
And I said development
yes, true ideology.
But development
Minji say. Minji say Opsiaka say Oko NDC. Minji this.
Hopeson, then you it's ideology should be very important. It should be about 90% of the reason why you join a political party.
Yeah.
Me, I was a fighter for the New Patriotic Party. I did the best that I can for that political party. But it was not necessarily an expectation, say, you me post. In fact, I can tell you today, say, since I announced that many NPP break up, I've been called.
NPP has called you?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
It is not the reason why I'm leaving. It's not the reason why I'm leaving NPP.
The council back what I am a Nadna, vote for me, I am a Muslim, sign your ma, and timidin Tokabano, campaigning on tribal lines. And Kruma Wonientia, I can in Uko Square near the South tribe at Obrunini time. Because to the white man, they were dealing with a tribe nation. They didn't want to call us a nation, they saw us as tribes. Eti any never control chem asante me dagatini eti nkruma ba en no twam and nkruma eye no nationality. But if you keep on campaigning on tribal lines, for instance, say nunti we are not ness into abama na utimi e deceive wa krom not ness ya ubetuma say anya kukudro akoko tira notness enim so muntu abama when you have taken custody of money, sir, you did invest into Pualugu Dam, and yet signboard Kurempumu Fenkoi. Container crazy Pualugu site. And ladies and gentlemen, these are issues that we must talk about. Because any yanum not spend enya. Ayo my money na. Ayo Ghana, the taxpayers' money. And whoever has taken a dime must cough. I know say Abaywe, they don't have the boss. Said to try the corrupt. And unti Anna, you name the loss of money laundering. Now you name Okwanya city depreciation ba. And so the likes of Cecilia Dapa keep millions of dollars. Wamun passe. Other hard currencies to say euro. And we don't know how many or how much euros or dollars are other ministers any MP say keep on them. Now office of the special prosecutor Kisi Agyapong leading here. Now obi to say Godfrey Dame, dishonest, injustice minister for justice. Can you imagine? Dishonest, injustice minister for justice. Godfrey Dame. Far crime be so. Yeah, not to say. Cecilia Dapa case never foolish case. Me no can say I have foolish case in Swampa. But I have foolish case because Akufo Addo president. I have foolish case because Bawumia na ABO vice president. But any foolish case when there's a change of government. And I'm happy say Abayino a position led by John Dramani Mahama. Shemu Kena say they will make sure say they will investigate and prosecute Cecilia Dapa. Was what the $46 million got them Odo River. Basically, Odo River no Mwana Ifi. So these are issues and also be by ya shani atie free na ye jina so aka say kro no dos no do 1 week one scandal no dos no do wa my for no etwasem yam hyehyem. We should not be supporting parties blindly. Eti obi on ma na me ya meet NPP maka cho say na man yensem hunu. You support people based on issues. Support political parties because they have solutions to your problems. But we don't just support political parties blindly. Political diano and so a baby cream. And you see, me back of that meeting in the build up to and then the trial of Ato. Who acquire Ato force and trial no acquire. And who acquire to force and try no acquire. Of course, a lot of people are Omaka who has them.
You wait for me, cow say, Jubilee so and our no. So we can subscribe. Oh, yeah, Mr. Say, always subscribe and like it. Now, watch a video. No, I'm offer for so in you now. Watch it. Also, bet me actually again after a year and some way now. I will comment boxing. Mobati Minkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.